this. It was ordered through Porsche exclusive because of all the carbon fiber extras. And then they added the turbo update kit to Turbo S specs with Turbo S exhaust and power kit. So essentially, it's a rare cosmetic car that was turned into a Turbo S prior to leaving the factory. And at YSAP. So it's very cool. It's very fast. I've just gotten out of the 1984 930 Turbo S. So it shows its lineage, except this is just so much easier. Alrighty, let's go for a ride. Let's warm her up a little bit and then get her on the road. As you can see, it's a all Porsche exclusive. From carbon fiber to full leather dash to power kit, Turbo S power kit, sunroof, upgraded stereo from the factory. Okay, here's our twisty road, which we really can't go very fast here, but it will show how much it's enjoyable to drive, even on slower, curvaceous roads. And then when we get back to the farm road, I can tell you for a fact, it's some of the most fun you can have with your clothes on. It goes like hell. Last of the air-cooled 911s. Special in absolutely every way, with only 80 being manufactured for the European market. Here we go. Little speed. To me, this is one of those Porsche supercars that you could drive to work, you could drive to dinner with the wife, you can go to the track, you can take road trips. It does everything right while just driving. And then if you really want to get on it, you'll see how quick it actually is. About as Porsche exclusive as you get. Really, really cool. Really cool, really fast, really comfortable, really good at everything.